3 weird animal facts you won't believe. Think you know animals? Here are 3 weird facts that will blow your mind. First up, octopuses are escape artists. Some have broken out of aquariums, unscrewing lids, and sneaking down drains. Kangaroos can literally flex their biceps to impress others, and they're stronger than they look. And finally, the immortal jellyfish. It can literally reverse its aging process, potentially living forever. The animal kingdom is crazier and cooler than you ever imagined. Stay curious.